Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mama.
What is it? Do you know what it is?
Paper.
Paper. Did your mean old mama get you paper?
Yes.
But do you know what that paper says?
No.
Well, read it. Callie. What's it say?
Yours programs recognition from an guide donation.
Has it got two big words? Let me see. Is there any kind of symbol on that piece of paper?
What do you mean symbol?
Like
Yeah.
telling you where it's from? Is there a picture or anything? Look, there's another piece of paper behind it, right? The stapled one.